Oh God.
Oh, it look pips.
Yeah.
Look like it's flavorful.
Flavorful. See the people. Watch this.
A soup this is a ton, brother.
Yes,
I thought God makes this nearly turn over and tip out some of my water.
Yeah, and you know no sense today, no. We don't want no cut rice with knife over here.
No chop rice.
No chop rice.
I'll go on with Rasta.
Line up the fire for dealing with or not dealing. Just like that. Line up the fire. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have food today. What up on the menu?
I want to bring come.
Which is what? What is that? Chicken?
I saw chicken.
So we are prepared this food today.
Well, if you know brown stew, I don't know curry, I give it to you now.
Ah man, warm to the chicken we tell we say with just the natural herbs. We
Natural
get that.
seasoning.
We can't get that today.
We not have all like natural seasoning.
Yes man.
Pepper everything.
Everything.
Then we no good then to go, brother.
Alright then.
Then we good to that. For the natural season we have today. We good. Natural season today, no? So everything good. So nothing wrong with that. I'm not telling you that whole time for a whole time days. And my mother days and all those people when me know were elder than me.
Yeah.
Natural season me ever see them I use. Then like a pimenta, then crush up it. Then like a black pepper, scallion, garlic, tomato, and then like ingredients there, and then season up anything and make it soak, and then fry the meat and cook it on. You can't be saying not so nice. Then pour that thing and never done in my days on the black pepper I know.
Yeah.
Rastafari I know that.
No powder, no MSG, right. None of that. Yeah peeps, yeah.
So you now go catch it, you know. You got just line it up in the people. Prepare the wood, the fire with them. So when we done chop up the chicken, we will deal with the fire. But we make sure them are ready. So when we come. No.
Natural.
Natural season.
See there?
Yeah.
I'll go on the sun over chop up the meat.
Alright. Yeah. See auntie a teacher the right thing but you not listen.
Rasta active man, you know him a go on with man.
Okay.
Rasta?
Yeah.
I mean. I
So how would I put all of my big something in about you to them to fry see and so.
Yes, so them they have to cut.
Yes, I yes, a big meat turn now, Rasta.
Yeah, I mean, you can't take a big old junk and sit.
Yeah.
I laugh.
I want to me like big woman. Yeah. I'm have a round. Yeah. So my woman round.
English power.
Yeah. You can't take a little maga woman and all them so you can't feel nothing. Yeah. You cook board and say quiz.
You know a big woman taking maga.
A big woman like maga man.
Yes, a maga man like big woman.
Yeah, a maga man like big woman. Where's about that, Mayo?
Yeah man, we not wrong, yeah.
Alright, sir.
No,
when you lay your bed lie down and you go so, you can't feel nothing. Yeah. When I go so show me I'm supposed to feel more man.
Warm.
Oh
yes,
God.
No
cucumber around here.
Was it relates to your chicken? It have to cut up.
Yeah.
Small.
Rasta, I closest this year I got to something high, you know. I mean, so black pepper and salt around the powder season. Yeah, man, I closest this.
Ital?
Yeah, closest this year. I
understand you want we think of an idea out there. We think the name all in one.
All in one. What the right name for that? A Pakaso?
No, sir, me call it thing there.
All in 1 hour.
What we call it again, Cherry? Gumshan.
Gumshan? So
yeah.
Pakaso different?
I know what you call Pakaso, you know. Never do Pakaso yet. I know Gumshan. Like your great type coconut, all 2 coconut.
Yeah.
Put on the coconut to go and boil.
Yeah.
Get up some saltfish.
Yeah.
Your seasoning.
Yeah.
So
you can put any meat in that then?
Any meat you want to put in it and cook it. You don't have to put no saltfish.
Oh, okay, and put a piece of chicken.
You know, me I tell Aya, but Aya say a saltfish you want.
A piece of goat can go in it.
Anything you want to use in it, and make it cook down in that. When that and you cook your dumpling, knead up your flour, put it in say your yam, the Irish potato, everything where you want in there. If I rice,
fry the chicken.
All rice can go in it too, you know.
You don't have to put the rice in.
You know what you have to put the rice in.
It
can go in it. Because you put in it, you have the food then go and cook first. And then the rice will come after.
You don't have to put no
but you don't have to put no rice.
Oh.
It's simple as that.
All in a one, either you cook rice and meat.
All in a one if you cook rice and meat.
You said in Gumshan.
Gumshan, me call you. You chop up the meat first. And fry up it. Put it on one side. and cook down the rice. When this rice I go right down almost now, you put in the meat tonight because you don't want the meat to dry out, to cook out tonight. You want to have the flavour. Yeah, the flavour, the frying, see me going in the meat when you eat tonight, right?
I'm going to eat everything cut up and cook the meat.
Yeah.
And make the meat stay there and cook here a while.
So auntie, are you teach him the gumption?
No.
No, sir.
Oh, you know that for your own already.
You see all your squid? Yo, enough of that we cook when we a quarry bush and a Brockstone, you know. Because when we go, we don't have meat.
Yeah.
But we always have a coat now.
Oh.
And we father, it have a field over here. So when we come, we just tap, dig all to one. But we don't have to dig. Just dig, grab one vine of yam.
Yeah.
You see how some food carcass, so you just cut out too big for them, cut out too and take say yes. You have to dig out the wide and you carry cut this dig in yam.
Yeah.
You have to sharp one piece of stick and dig yam because the cut is I go cut the vine there.
Oh.
So then
you can't afford that.
Yeah, and you can't afford that. So you dig it and draw out the dirt and look at yam going way down to the 2 pieces when we cut off, you know. And we carry that at bush, we still carry it at the 2 pieces when we carry that bush, you know. You know enough yam and we have flour and banana and a gumption we have cook.
You make a Mickey, sir.
Banana that how we done, man.
My work.
And we have 2 pounds of chicken back in that. Mad.
Oh God, man.
Tell you now, them days when me I tell them, not tell a lie. Them days they night, them days they can't come back.
You can't come back.
No man, it's hard to come back, man. Them days they not can't come back and nice.
Come back, Rasta, remember at where you will live, you know. So if you
me no dash you them days, eh?
Oh.
All that people that chop it for the
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
That the one go for the phone, you know, you know, cause bad one. Yeah, man, that's how we do it, you know, and talk about the big guy something. The man said, you know, like when them big guy, try cost to BRC, they got all of them. Oh, like, oh. The man said name Irat, but the Rasta doesn't know I pan it name Carrot. One single carrot. When you take it up, 2 carrot. After I Rasta them there, I know high can go up on carrot.
Yeah, hiking.
Hiking and anything. I mean, that's no hiking.
Yeah.
You have to go up on hiking, you have to swing for a rope. And I now go up on anything. Look at the people who go up on hiking. You see that one sitting and climb all fast, one sitting and go up with the rope. And me none of them things.
So where the goat near? I may.
No, you go up there.
That kind of high, man.
No high, man. Can't no high. Because you for the high, you have the way up in the year for the high. Remember me tell you that.
Yes, all like Christmas holiday, Rasta, what if I go and something?
That I people them are killing me now, me and you know none. So if we can get one for kill me butcher and bamboo road.
Nah, forget none for kill, just buy some.
We can buy
one 5 pound or 6
we can buy one couple pounds and we do one and for no one.
You set me hard at the right.
Rasta. See people out on the road that say you make fiddly spoil
The
it.
people out on the road can't tell I say I make squiddly fry nothing, because guess what now?
Yeah.
When Squidly was cooking,
Yeah.
where I was, round in front I wash off my car, and you call me, and say Rasta forward round and things bad round here. And when I come and look, Mr. Squidly the pan. With the knife, I say man, and the flour, water when you go for the flour in the eye. You can't take the flour and use all your trowel in the cherry and flash it for the wall, you know. And trowel and flour, you look about, you know. That's what I say, bad, me I tell you.
You say similar to your rice.
No, can't similar to rice. My rice about that can't show go for a wall. But that the flour can pierce on for a wall. So you hear me to iron now. The iron. Which way we have to put that wall there? Put a trowel on it. I say, boy, you have to place it on the shop side there, so come with this wall, little trowel on it, so empty. Me I tell you, bro, yo, man, yo, me I tell you that day that was nice. And then we have a game of loaded. They're so bad.
Yeah.
Me hold this man here.
You hold who?
So you never get old.
The game. Them not want to tell you. You can't talk, you parrot. You can't wait till Rasta don't talk. They say something. You can ask them, me never get a dirty shot. Of course,
You get none.
yeah, him give me 9 hours.
Of course.
Yeah, you get Rasta.
Yeah, man, him give me 9 hours.
After me get mine.
Yeah, after you get here and Chris get fame. You hear I mean? Then that's why I give him, I'm telling him so that I feel with joy. That's why me can't sad.
A team up and give me mine.
No, man, you'd have to get fame so me hold half around the gate there and make a lick away, you know, shatter. Salt and black pepper.
Well, Shemai, you know I know this all come out.
I'm dying for now.
Salt and black pepper. I'll well me about it still.
Yes, Rasta, put salt.
Yeah, you Rasta. You Rasta.
You think I flow this way where you
Hey Rasta, what wicked you know? I was the man that thought, oh, your rice and Father God make.
He can do something mad off him.
Wicked, man.
Wicked, you see? Him. Cameraman. Yeah?
And a bad man game.
No.
Me born 4 man, I got my business, and you rub it down, kill me.
Yeah, man, nothing wrong with
Bad
that.
man game.
Bad man game is
Yeah,
fine.
you born fearful. Go
Dead if you dead out.
on about your business.
It look fiddly.
Yeah, it a come on
Lie.
with black pepper and salt so far, you know?
Yeah, egg.
So man deal with Skelly and you.
Oh, yes, I taste I go boil long too.
Alright.
It's supposed to nice still. Nothing to beat natural, you know. The pan natural juice. Natural juice are nice than the soda pop.
Alright, yes, alright. So you see, I see him.
I said thing. Yeah, man, so that's what Skelly and everybody.
Yes, Skelly and this me a cut up here now. Now pan the chicken here now, because a natural Rasta deal it today.
Yeah.
No powder seasoning.
I closest this I go to veggie chunks.
No, yo, all you know, you come back with that same food out there.
But veggie chunks.
Sure.
Veggie chunks are no nutrients.
Me tired to tell you, no one don't know what veggie chop make it. And you still a tell it, but me say me not deal with it.
No, true, man, say closest
No, sir, this
to
can't,
vital.
no, this can't close to veggie tongue, cause veggie tongue and I tell. Veggie tongue got some sitting I don't know if I call it, if you say one and say about it tastes like meat.
Nothing like that.
They say veggie chunks have Rasta way and get back a feel of how meat tastes.
So yeah, that thing eat.
Yeah.
Might as well him buy the meat.
But alright, sir. But
I look for it, Rasta.
right, but I'm not just go buy some chicken and some goat and deal with it and some fish.
Yeah, we do. When you really check it out, when the veggie chunks are cooked, it kind of look like it have a goat texture.
Oh, you mean?
It have a mutton texture for you.
Rasta will remind yourself about meat, man.
You know, see the we call him out the road there.
Yeah.
Wayne. It's about a beer chunks in him. I tell you, say you can go and go
You
deal
know,
with it.
we ain't say, boy, first Rasta and say, we love
We love
anyway meat there.
You know where meat there. I lie my tell for me, I know where there.
We
I me look about it, so me have to do where there. You see this man?
Not so me, man. But you not say, why the Rasta everything for do with meat, you mean?
Yeah, man, we think to deal with meat Rasta, you know.
Yeah, that's the boy we not say.
Yeah.
See, another Rasta so with this man, I tell you, say, boy, you want to deal some Aki and one say fiddly.
So Aki and
Aki and Redorin.
Redorin, yeah.
So I think you want to deal
That
with.
we can't deal with that. He not have to deal with that for you. He go ahead.
So you can deal
Yeah,
with
we
that.
can't deal with that for ourselves.
Alright.
Until I'm sure so we have to on him with it. Until.
Try him, try your thing.
Try a thing. We done everything already. We know and a man can go mix it up until you no fool in it. You see me? And talk about I bring red in Aki. We can bring anything we want to the flavour.
Yeah,
Yeah. But one thing we not bring to the flavour.
the pork.
No pork.
So Shema, now I don't know that taste.
No, what I call it? No veggie jam, not veggie
veggie
chunk.
chunks.
Yes,
No, but me not like that, Rasta.
Alright.
All the way a team and you know me eat pork, so what you say
No
no
man,
pork?
I'll feel like a pork. I've still done my yard and look about that down
Come in here for the sun, then
Yeah,
cook
my
in the
grandma look about to give and mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody else. The grandma look about to give and mommy. No, that can't go with no wrong way. You must
Disrespecting.
No, me not disrespect. That's what I'm saying.
him.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Shema, go
saying.
ahead,
Me say
disrespect.
my grandma and your
mommy.
mommy look about to feel. Me can't. This your mother and me nah. This your granny. No time at all.
Yeah.
And them supposed to deal with it.
Yeah.
And you eat it and them eat it. It have to look about there. Kind of deal with
But a year and a
yeah,
cooking
man,
me
and
like.
you want to deal with it. You
Yeah.
can't touch if you give.
A year and have the flavour, you know?
No, me and can't have enough flavour. I food you have enough flavour when you don't cook.
They tell him the time say he used to eat it. So that the boy try to bring off back pan,
That
man.
nah, nothing to do with it now then time. When the time they did nice.
Then time you can't provide.
if it
yourself,
did
you know.
nice,
Then time they can't
So
provide.
anything
for
mama
No.
cook have
No,
for
the next then time
stick up in.
I
Rasta
couldn't
just
provide
said them
for
time
myself.
they did nice.
Yeah, then I must
So
tell
if
them
it
must
nice,
nice.
them time
Then now me what
it
the
must
one
nice,
it
yeah,
must
man.
nice them time because guess what? And mama look about it.
Yeah.
And we have to eat it.
Yeah.
Cause me no response to myself.
Nah,
So
provide.
anything where they give you to eat,
have to eat.
you have to eat that. Else you go to your bed hungry or don't need nothing. Right. I mean, no one got my bed hungry.
So you have to eat
You have
something.
to, my mama look about everything. And mama look about it. Anything mama look about it. And even flour, Rasta eat.
I have to work with it.
I'm telling
Full
you.
your belly.
What you mean? Anything mama look about. Not no sweet and mama food, you know.
True.
Remember me tell her that. All when no cure where you go. I can tell you that in history, in life. No cure where you go in life. Nothing don't sweet and your mother cooking when Mac will give.
True.
Nobody else can cook sweet like your mother. Cause your
Every,
mother look
every
about
meal when
right proper
every
way
meal
to
when
give,
mama
to
present
protect
you, cook with love.
Alright, I have to protect you because I say, boy, I'm the picnic them, so I love them, so I have to look for your food properly.
So Rasta, some woman they cook in a restaurant. You hear me now? And the food are full. So the man now a mother to somebody.
Of course.
So them food are gonna nice to feed them people.
Yeah, then you hear me say, yeah, me tell you, with mother. For you come for your mother teach you how to deal with the thing the right and proper way. You go come and do it the right and proper way too. Remember, and you enough woman no cook. In deal with the, what you call it, fast food.
Fast food, quick food there.
No, quick food out of the coffin, like a plastic, like a sitting coffin them. You mean you see the run gun, and I like a flip flop.
Yeah.
Sell me $1,000 food.
Send me $1,000 food and a 7 bills one day. And more French fried chicken and curry gravy panda one day. And send me some stew pork and some stew chicken. You want to see them all the while?
Yeah, wiggle.
Wiggle and go buy them food. Remember me tell you that. And then I put on the pot. And then I say steam will come out of the pot when the food now your plate in front of you that good for your face.
Eh?
You never know. No. Your natural food where you cook out of the pot. Yeah, the steam out of the food we have in front of you, out of your plate. Good for your face. You just heap a bump them. Yeah. You can heap a blackhead.
Learn something new today.
And you belch more fast. Alright, listen, eat out of like back food. Say if you ever belch. You never belch. As long as you eat out of your food at your yard, you have done it till you belch. Burp! Never belch out of them the back food when you eat them done.
If you do belch, it's a soda you have to drink.
Alright, because they're still full of gas. Because coffee you get it in a.
Oh, dead.
Dead box and put it in a gear. If you go that way plate you get it in a, it's having more steam. Because the steam all in a plate and send up the heat in your face. Alright. Because it's broad enough, you know, remember that, you know. So it will send up the heat for you.
This look good still in Rasta.
Yeah, the visual and presentation so far.
It's have to look
10 out
good.
of 10.
You get a 10 if you this already Rasta.
Feel visual.
So
Yeah.
if you come to the taste, you get a one, you can't ball.
1.
10 plus 1 are 11.
Yeah, I get a full 100 today.
Alright.
Let me say?
Full
100.
No fla.
No fla. Like when you walk with the floor, that's a can't paste pan the wall like you think of chowilan. Think of chowilan today. A rice and brown chicken we are dealing with cooked down natural. No chowilan flour where you use knife the pan.
Yeah.
Yeah, no? Come with the flour quickly. Come with the flour quickly. Come with the... Yeah, you are hearing.
It's the cold set attack.
When you look at the man face, the cold set and wash it like a river. That's a that's great. Help him. Yeah, but him now. Easy yourself, man. Don't run for the floor. That's why you go and use the rest of caramel thing and bring it up back. And so done, and use the rest of caramel, bring it up, and just barely use back the clay floor and ball it up. And I right way do, and come up back, it come like you never boiled before. It come like you never in a mixed matter. But you have mixed chowilan before. I don't know when I could do that, you know.
Yeah, Rasta, you see this from my teacher, we catch a fire last time.
You can't
I go on well.
You can't teach me how to catch fire. I'm live a bush. I'm a fireman. You don't know if you light a stove good. To a gas stove, you look so flick with the automatic lighter nowadays. I just gone through, but this, see, we have to use no cursing night.
Yeah.
Eh? We have to, I know that, look on fire already.
I'm a teacher with you, I remember with you there, so butter.
Real smoke fire we deal with.
So Rasta, when you burn sugar, they put oil in a pot?
Yeah, little bit. No, sir. Yeah, it's what's sugar, sir?
Yeah, make the pot hot.
No. Yeah, that, but maybe use oil, so oil make it burn, you know, more lubricated faster. Yeah, you soon see. I smoke now blow, that's what you can see in the iPad still.
Alright.
You don't want too much smoke for you. That's what you can see the lag go on, you know? Yeah, like it, huh?
Yes, Rasta, this burn or so it will look at now. Alright. Let me see it?
Keep there, yeah.
Alright, so you said this is the natural browning.
Yes, yeah.
Alright, bro. It smells like browning still.
Alright. Don't talk to you, I'm not, you know.
Yeah, man.
You go and cool down a little bit later that. You have to turn on this and rub up.
Oh, that? Oh.
Right.
Oh, yeah, go through it. I pour it on the chicken.
Yeah. Pour it on chicken. Not pour it on chicken. When I done fry up the chicken, we can do that. Yeah. Fry chicken first.
That's the way I'm going with that now.
I scrape out about the season them.
You say salt, it's you have to go wash it off.
Jano. Meat sauce.
Lime tail.
Lime tail, oh.
Yeah, you just a crepe. You know, fry, you can't fry meat with season pan there.
Okay, good.
So.
Teach him a trade no man.
You know it trade, I just rhyme up the thing more, make it
The lyrics him again.
Lyrics, and you know they run the mic. You see, you know they pan Big Son, you know they pan Jallo. Oh, but okay, I don't have studio and
a scale go down.
You can voice a hit
That's a
song.
voice of each song, man. You make
It's full of lyrics.
Yo, you know you're hungry Rasta whenever you all sing a conscious song. You can't sing anything there.
Me? Then I sing me, I sing now.
You know, hear the words that come out of your
Yeah,
mouth.
words that come out of your mouth. Anything you do, whether you talk it or not, you still sing.
Sing, yeah.
Sing, yeah, sing. That's how you go.
This.
Rain this. Prepare my place, because nothing now. Wait up.
Okay, Potter go wash out Rasta.
Where do you wash out on me there?
No, well, I don't remember. No.
Oh, so Shamar, what do you when you cook the soppy rice? I because rain it go fall.
Yeah, rainwater drop in the pot, man.
So how you get to go in there?
I don't know.
So we're going there, flower.
That more no a river water.
See him,
No
rainwater.
man, a river water run off your floor. Remember me tell you that, cause me tell you say, the amount of water where you put in the floor, I must be, where river down and Clarendon name, no man.
Yeah, man, a river Nile.
Ryan me now.
Ryan
You use the whole of water we have passed through Ryan me, you know, man, make it stop. It does control you put in the floor. You think you're easy. So you just jolt. Yo, and a big, yo, man, with the big, and you never see me the spoon, when I spoon, I look on the knife. The knife, see the man with the knife, yeah? Yeah, the camera. Get floor, come down, get floor, come down.
That's it, yeah.
The when yes about me cook. What day when me cook meat here so? The curry chicken, something the beef. And if I you see star go down pan fat and you say, and Terry said, that a bun up! Yeah, you know. Yes, a bun up, I hear me say no. Can walk come to see the camera. You make it bun up, hear me that now bun up and I straight after around get the right colour, man. So when you done, this is a no burner in the
I can't take him Rasta.
You can't, yeah, calm. Another thing I get him. You see, where Wally went there?
Yeah.
Why me I tell you, they sweat they were Wally into blouse and skirt, I tell you. Yo, see, after a man not see man, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait! Yo! I say go my yo. Most of you do thing, and it happen to you, you get nervous. But Rasta can't get nervous.
I want to make me nervous.
No man, we can't make you get nervous. I mean, end there.
Oh, God, man. Make me catch stage fright.
Are you never on no stage? Blows and
You get when you see the cameraman and look on him.
Me say man never on no stage and he get stage fright. You see that?
Yeah.
No, YouTube audience on stage, man.
You see, no
Where them are going to come with.
You feel like I do it in vlog, you know.
Eh?
I do it in vlog.
No, you know, I never know camera stunt. It really spoil.
Spoil. And then the camera stunt and spoil. Alright.
Oh, yes, sir. Sound check.
Natural. See there? No, we don't add us to the sugar thing. We
No
just,
powder season.
no powder season. Smell it already?
Yeah, well, aromatic. I smell the flavors, you know. The scallion, the whole of the onion and all of those things.
Yeah, Rasta. Chicken look good, you know.
See there? So we deal with it. Coloring, you know? By
Yeah.
to get its own color by the fire. You know, nothing in powder in it.
Rasta.
I hope
The smoke, I have a flavor it, you know.
And the flavor smoke you get. You just put on pimenta,
Yeah.
and that sweetwood,
Yeah.
lagwood,
Yeah.
right with them there burn the fire, man.
Alright, so I see chicken a catch color. I hope it catch some flavor too.
Yo, the flavor I got there now this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, natural, you know. It's a nice still, because you got to say, boy, you never know say you could have worked out so. Yeah, mama style this. And then take out, you put them in the base with the season, same way. So mama teach me. Mama never teach me nothing wrong.
Yeah.
So boy, what you me I do?
Who you talk? Mr.?
Yeah, no, Miss Jerry, my mother, Miss Icy.
I'm Mr. teacher, man.
Then say, boy, what you do? That woman who cook flour and give you the yam. So you don't know about cooking, so deal with the thing the right way.
Teacher, true.
Yeah. See, people?
If I never had a wood fire on that, man, I
You calm
stew
down
chicken.
yourself. You see, you calm down yourself. Calm down yourself.
Yes, sir, Rasta. Until you redeem
You
yourself.
say
not
calm
all
down
of it.
yourself, because guess what now? This cannot be stew chicken. It's fried chicken. We have fried the chicken and we are cooking.
Country
This
style.
is not the flour where you cook in a week, yeah, where you plaster wall. Look how over your hand, the big old spoon. See ya? And when you go so, look you down the night and the pan and look on a beer water and you the pan in the knife. How we are though? A flour you need, the flour supposed to need it gently and nice. And you the pan with big spoon and then yo, get block up. How can I put water that is in that big man? You make river Nile come down in our flour.
I want to tell me so
No.
no fritters.
We never
Fritters me did I go make.
Fritters did I go make?
So no.
You must think a man in here look about breakfast. You see a midday. And you look about fritters give man a midday, man, you're just sick in the head. Eat the people, a natural cooking today.
No powder season.
No powder season.
MSG. Well, nearly slip and slide.
Look on that, you
I say it's a bubble.
no name organic season, natural season Rasta use. So it's so pretty and bro.
Yeah.
Not even
Put in browning already.
no browning not in there.
Come on.
Natural. They say natural today is natural today. No browning, nothing at all. Not even like a sugar browning.
Come on, man.
But we say we don't go bill, we not bother use it.
Nah, I
So,
smell nothing but me see it.
who don't smell nothing? Your damn nose must be cock up.
Yeah, Rasta. Be a rain upon us. Showers of blessing.
Showers of blessing. From we start this little town, we come over here and start this little thing here. Rain no stop fall, so you know say the Father God a bless you now. We know the little thing when I go on. But I am the chef, so nothing go wrong when I deal with the pot.
Yeah, man, I gotta bless you for you,
God
man.
bless you
'Cause
for you.
every video we do over here rain falling.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
And it's success.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man, it come out successful nonetheless, you know. Just get little blessing in the night, see, man. That's the way say your secret upon that.
No secret if I'm gone in there that you never see.
Then we
Oh.
then we're not it. Where but have to put the rice in?
There man.
Butter there for rice, man, yeah.
That me see put so much in
I
that.
wanna stick that just so then come.
Inside secret weapon, you know. Half
No.
stick of butter. Say butter make the food slide down easy.
She said everything brown in the pot same way. Same way. And no coloring no go on it. They use no paprika, nothing at all. See the people? Well no say it. Me no use no paprika. Me no use no all purpose. Me no use no Maggi season. Me just use the normal season from the original day. Just the season from the earth. Carrot, scallion, thyme and pepper.
Nothing more.
Nothing more.
Salt
And
and
black
black
pepper.
pepper. Yeah.
I'm going to never like a pimento have a crush in it to make it flavor. That's all. It's sharp.
Feel it all come out good regardless, man.
It will come out because you know, regardless. It has to come out. Come over there now. You going like him a drop down?
Yeah.
Man,
That is it.
that is it. It looks.
Without a river Nile, I look at that boat, I flavor more, know about.
Flavor?
It's gonna
That
be
go
there,
on
brother.
good, man.
It's dead already, brother. It's gonna be making you lick your finger, brother.
That
Mind
is
a
it.
bite of your finger today, though, you know? It's natural. And you never know, and your finger natural again, and then take a second, you fix I meet it, and then your finger it take off. Oh, God.
Oh, it look pips.
Yeah.
Look like it's flavorful.
Flavorful. See the people, watch this. We don't want to dry out.
Wow.
Don't want to dry out.
Man at the moment.
And at the moment, put it like this at the time being.
So we are going with that now.
The rice.
Think of some plaster flour here, give it.
Yeah, eat it. All you know, no sense in it. Put some more water in this.
Where are the Rasta?
Yeah, she's in pot, you know. That's in a bird, and then put on the pan, the wood fire, you know, like a outer door. Martel.
Man, you put mud inside the pot, you know?
Well, put mud can go in the pot. See it?
See funny do it. How you do it.
Yes, I say rice come out fiddly.
Yeah, just like I said that. Yeah.
Muddy.
Rice come out muddy.
What?
See, some of
Bad man, come and give some water for short hand.
Water there, man. Water in a bucket after, man.
Now water all about the place.
Rasta. Yeah, people. As you can see, the rice soup are gone.
You look like you're drink some mad show.
I want to take a soup with a ton today for real.
Yeah, man, you see, don't see the soup up, man.
You were butter in another one today for this.
No, like a look of broth.
You want to
Rice broth.
like I Chinese soup, green tea. Green tea, Rasta? Green tea today.
Rice tea.
Green tea.
Yeah, mad man too, you know.
A goated?
Yeah, I goated. Because you are telling some young vibe green tea soup. And I rice.
Rasta, the butter now again at this today.
Yeah, man. But me don't know when put it.
See butter there, pan it.
Go fit the squid there.
You know, man, if I carry the right side there, my boss.
You know, them say when you stir rice or suck on rice spoiling or
Just lie that.
Lie them matter?
No more. So you just make your rice to one place in a pot and lump up. And when you're done, the top cook and the
Not
bottom
me,
not
that's
cook.
what I said them say, you know?
That's them.
When you stir rice, it spoil.
I fully steer that never here.
Me say, stupid and stir are relating to cooking.
Listen to me.
Madness.
Do not throw that rice. Cook one side.
Alright, you tell him.
One side higher than one.
True.
And the rice can't cook because
Oh, sure, man.
one side of the cook.
Good leg.
Yeah?
Right, now. This kind of full black pocket when it done. Yeah?
There's a god.
Black pocket, alright, so I go full when it done, man. I see it.
So black pocket you want it full today.
That is I got, man.
That means you know a black pocket is full of a black pocket and a black pulp. You never get none. You know?
Alright.
You see?
Alright.
If you don't go to
No,
smell
no,
it.
we're not going to get none in this point.
No,
Black pocket.
and my black pocket is go. Yeah, so.
Your belly pocket.
Yeah, my belly pocket. I wanna go and watch I and I eat it. I wanna say black pocket rice Rasta cook.
Drink, you go drink this.
Drink? You think what's the thing say flour, a plaster flour you cook on a week.
Hey, Rasta.
I eat,
Rasta,
make you eat them there.
The flour.
Yo,
Melt down quick and the butter we made have pan the chicken the last time.
but watch out now. How comes a man and need flour
Yeah.
and you use a spoon and a pile
A knife.
and knife?
Come here, use this.
No, watch me now. Yeah, use knife. You must have cut up something with the knife, right?
Yeah.
Either pudding, cake, but you cannot cut flour with knife and in a fry. A fry flour you cook, but that the flour what you make with the other so you cook the way. Flitters in and fry.
I want to make me nervous.
Uno push kuno wash down jam kuno. No man can make you nervous when you cook because you alone on it. It's up my cook.
No
So
fry,
how you feel
no.
nervous?
Stage fright.
I know stage on there. Remember the music that string up in the
Rasta.
Well,
Remember you did not tell him say boy I prefer you cook the day and I said no come on
well,
to the kitchen.
me go there. Remember so when me come now and say now cook. Say I want me dealing with you.
But you could have cooked, you did that work.
That can't stop me from put on the pot. And nearby me there now. I know so fast me done the two little tile then.
Yeah.
But you
I
still
want-
get something for eat.
Yeah, when I watch what I get for heat. When I come and me chop up the meat, it's like, to you say, can you what you want me to finish do everything for you? You say no. You will do it enough for me there today. So I said, you enough for me there today? Take over.
Yeah.
And when you take over, what you do? I boil the flour and give him my shovel arm. Flour if you put pan, plaster if you put pan wall. So I said to Aya, say, Aya, look here, the man boil the flour and what you do? So Aya said, no, wall over finger because the flour wall done already. So we was plaster it pan the shop. Yo, is a dangerous plaster flour boy. Yo, with spoon and knife. Knife and spoon.
Tell them to go check out that video there.
Me never see knife and spoon build flour, so you watch it now and go up on YouTube you know, and find it in a script fly, you know, it's mad, you know. Me tell you that, you know.
Soup. Pressure. Yeah, go on, man, Rasta.
You know, say a surprise me again.
Eh?
Go on, man, Rasta.
Yes, the answer right.
But a soup is
What?
yeah.
Yeah, cook. You want to flash some pan the wall again?
Flash some by jump.
Right.
You don't have to do that.
See.
Yeah,
I
idiot.
see what go on.
Well, if people don't look, they say a surprise. Sit there. Sit there. Yeah.
Cover and make him
No,
finish
man, he
steam
good,
up,
man.
Good, man. You know what I'm about.
Over it now.
You remember you did tell me those say you forgot more water.
Me
thing.
say me
Me
know
tell
my
you, say,
water.
God
No,
save
if the
you.
water that should have still in there.
God save you, make that look water the bounce out. You know.
That Joan, it may make it Joan.
You know.
Joan, want Joan today and gold. So you get some Joan rice today. With that nice one today, see?
say, God
So
save
me
you.
not make all the whole I water just a swim on the top. So you not go say just a drink so like porridge.
Don't have to put no gravy
who
on
not
my
put the-
chicken.
who don't want
Just
that
give me
meat?
my piece of
That's
chicken.
even I meat, I don't drop some sugar in there, just go and drink. Let's warm up. That's the first thing. Look about natural season. Look about the first thing. And natural season still. Where I do? Cock up your eye. Make smoke bun in your eye, boy. I want to hear that good for your eye, you know. But no, the little weed smoke in your bun and clear up your fag them over your eye.
You smoke wicked, man.
No, man, you can't wicked. Smoke. This is wood fire smoke. Look at the old people them. All the old people them when you say we live so long.
Yeah.
How them use that use? Wood fire. And when them a burn for them cigar when them a burn, then turn the fire in their mouth like so. I have the fire in so. You know no fire upon this now, I'm going to show no. We'll go on and then the, for my father, mother,
Yeah.
my granny, when me go to St. Ann, I'm going to see her in the kitchen. A lagwood, pimenta, and then thing them I use cook there for them for nice. For your cigar, I saw it big like this. Them big old first time cigar. And she had the
Like
fire.
what? The pot cover there? The
Like
pot
the
angle?
pot, the frying pan angle.
Oh gosh.
I saw a cigar they make big. And she had the fire part in her mouth. And I said, Grandma, what that? She said, so she burn it because not no waste. All the ashes is swallow. You say good for clean. I don't know what to do to her. I never tried yet.
It look fit porridge rice.
Oh man, it no look so
It look
soupy.
so porridgey.
Yes, look almost next to perfect, yeah?
Next to perfect.
Oh, we see what bounce off in our plate.
Talk on, man. But
Yeah, I tell you, man.
taste in the boil long, oh.
Yeah, that's all it boils down to.
Yeah, man. So when them here done share, who no honest review though, I probably fiddler go tell a lie. I don't know.
No, we never tell a lie. Never tell a lie.
Yeah, want to find something? I know I go on today. Can't find the Rasta neither. I can go and hide.
Right, Shelly, man.
I best rice is in cook.
Alright, Shelly, man.
Best rice is Rasta food.
Rice and a soup, it don't have no mashed potato texture, nothing.
I tell you, it's a fiddly. Plate them hot out. One thing Rasta will stop cooking the heap, you call it fiddly.
What that? The secret ingredient?
Yeah, I use too much. It's not healthy.
Tired for telling boy, he said butter make everything slide down better. He said the butter make everything slide down better.
The rice look.
Oh, you like the rice? Can you tell me?
This are the best rice you cook
This
so
boy
far.
tell me say, me I cook soup rice.
Me tell you that?
Yeah, and Wingy tell me say, me I gonna use knife cut rice.
I watch
Chop
it.
rice.
Mama big spoon I use.
I
I
see,
take
and the
out
boy I
rice.
use mama big spoon and take out shelly rice. See?
Why?
And a Shelly rice this
Why?
still.
The rice is very shelly.
Martel Adventure TV
Martel
rice this.
Adventure TV rice we're cooking today. See? All the while me I talk about things. It's Martel Adventure TV rice. So subscribe and tell you how the rice look. If the rice is nice, all you have to do is come and just cook some rice for you, you know.
That's all.
That's all you have to cook, you know.
Come on the adventure.
Just come on the adventure and say, boy, Rasta, when I cook some of my rice and natural chicken for me, I ready to do it.
Oh, y'all laugh so much, what going?
I hail.
Too much oil.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's
Me tell you, but you not listen.
Oil.
Are the butter bring in the oil? man.
Oil plus
That
butter.
Rice you eat, you have gravy.
I know gravy, this is a hail.
Rice,
Don't add.
full of
Yeah,
butter,
do me. I share it, guys.
high cholesterol meal.
And then you say, well, go on. Hail. And this popcorn thing about.
Oil.
Hot oil.
Hot oil. You're chewing on your ears. This one not going on your ears. So one going on your belly.
Yes, Rasta.
Right now, the amount of oil there, we can fry out 3 more whole of chicken with this.
You say, Alio, he's a wicked boy. Remember me telling you,
Yes,
if you can't
Rasta.
fry 3 whole of chicken, go and go fry it, let me see.
Yo.
You talk about you can't fry whole of chicken? You quit up your eye? I want you to see you cook chicken over here. Roast chicken. and you put the butter on the top of the chicken and remember say butter or something as he take it, he melt.
Yeah.
And no, not even the butter never go so. Not even a frat off the butter come
I
out.
say Rasta. You know fraud today.
You have no frat today.
This year?
God, man say me I cook rice if you cut with knife. Let's say Rasta I cook rice if you cut with knife.
When you say you cook chop rice?
Chop rice with this. I'm want to know how Rasta if you cook chop rice. I'm in a Chinese. You think I chop so me I cook?
Chop rice.
Chop rice. No chop rice are over here in Africa.
I'm at
Normal rice. Listen, look up. Just like that, brother, look up. Look up is here too, you know. But hiding behind it,
But I sprinkle too much of the oil for my rice.
Don't worry yourself. I'm not hiding the car. You see there? Look where you see oil like that. Look when it done. People, this man has an oil. Look when it done. The gravy this. Yeah, come on, leave the pot and I'm cook it pot. Eh? I'm telling you.
Oil.
Hot oil.
Hot oil. Them say hot oil. But Rasta don't cook nothing. You put gravy pan food.
Put oil for your food.
Put gravy pan my food. So I'm saying.
Anyone?
Yeah. Yeah,
Oil.
yeah, man, I love gravy.
Hot oil. Hot oil.
Come on, yeah. The cherry one there.
Anyone is a female. Alright.
Oh, yes.
Hot oil. This is it.
This is it, people. Watch me now.
No. One, you can give
No, man,
get auntie for your one and come back, man.
Me I go with the
Cause you go review yourself too, you know.
Yeah, watch me. I
Leave
review.
here one up here.
No, man, I review my one before me leave. I want to tell my you.
yeah,
I eat my food, you know. I'm a chef, you know.
Hot oil.
The man, I don't cook no hot oil. I cook rice and chicken. See? Natural. Want to know? Oh, you got to tell me, say no. Tell me cook.
No, man, I got no man. No worry yourself.
Wait, when you there? What you over here? Because what didn't come with the big knife? I say, Rasta cook rice, we have to go cut.
How much you give yourself out of this?
Be 100.
Be honest.
Be honest, 100.
Alright,
So you taste flavor and everything.
Everything, all the smoke flavor.
could take a next one word for it. What you saying now, Mats?
I got to tell you. See it here? What you going on fiddly?
Natural.
Do some weight today.
Where's the fiddle? Do everything alright?
You can't pressure me for
I'm not telling you pressure your time.
Nobody put no words in your mouth,
You
man.
know, go back and move your food.
No, I'm not move.
You want to hear what I say?
No, I don't want to hear what I say. I eat to me first.
It is vital.
Fresh.
Lime Mattel.
Also, I tell food taste. No, man, talk to him, man. You can't let me not so too much suspense, man. Give a little more detail. Elaborate.
You can
Elaborate.
eat, man, but it have a little Rasta thing to it today, you know?
Oh. Alright then.
Yeah.
Come like a greens.
Short of pepper, but, you know? There's a Rasta cooking in the title, but I make sure Martin go on.
Fiddler, go on.
Test it and tell you what go on now. Irish, them thing and everything, so you know a meal cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm test piece more chicken. I don't know if I tell you half of that piece.
Ready? Should I try it again?
No.
Yes, a season for go on chicken.
Now I say.
Or maybe if you get the pepper though.
Yeah. They're missing a few key ingredients, but you can eat it.